A large university with thousands of students, faculty, and staff faced a challenge: how to monitor network usage and user activity in real time. The Cisco Meraki firewall was generating huge volumes of logs. But the IT team had no easy way to analyze them for user activity, online, offline status, or departmental usage. Solution: we redirected Cisco Meraki logs to a dedicated Ubuntu server. A custom service parsed the logs and dumped them into a MySQL database for structured storage. Google Sheets was integrated with the database to create an easy-to-use interface for real-time analysis. Key features: search logs of any specific user during a given time, check online, offline status of users instantly, view department-wise real-time activity. For example, how many staff members are on campus. The university IT team now has real-time visibility of network usage. Monitoring user activity, ensuring compliance, and managing resources has become faster and easier than ever.